So today I will show you a video how to make meat, canned meat in a jar in order to preserve it for a long time without the freezer and be able to eat anytime, in any moment, in any condition. So for that I need meat, empty jar, washed, and it will be nice to clean it with a bit of vinegar and water so it doesn't have any residues, and also we can use sanitizer from a dishwasher. If you don't have any of these, you can just wash roughly and use it as it is, because when you'll cook it in the oven, it will sterilize also very well. But as a precaution, I usually like to wash with a bit of vinegar and water or sterilize in a dishwasher. For that, I also need salt, bay leaves, and black pepper in the whole grains. So it's easy. We'll just cut the meat, add in a jar, add ingredients in a special quantity, and send it to the oven. Nothing complicated. So let's start. So in my case, I have just 1 kilogram 302 grams of meat. I can weigh it also for you so you can see it. How much is it? Actually, okay, go. This is the quantity that I have of meat. So I did wash very well my meat and made sure everything is clean. Now I'll start to cut. It's important to have a lot of fat for this meat. This will be our substance that will make our meat to preserve very well. So I'll take some grain of black pepper, couple of them, and add in the jar. My jar has 1.5 liters, and I will add 1 bay leaf on the bottom of the jar and start cut. Pieces of meat can be any size that you wish. Oopsie. It could be big sizes, small sizes. It's up to you. And just add them in a jar directly. That's very good one. meat has more fatty stripes in. It will be more juicy and tasty. If you don't like, then you can take a different kind of meat, but it will be more dry. At this point, I'll take the jar and push the meat, make sure it's very well bucketed. And don't forget, the meat will lose some juice and I'll make a lot of spacing. At this point, I will add some salt, pepper, and bay leaves. I would like to add right away a spoon of salt, a teaspoon of salt, and continue to cut meat and add meat. There is no rules or any formalities how to put or how to cut the meat. Just add it and toss it to make sure it gets in all the parts of the jar. And this is my last part. So now I'll wash my hands and add last spoon of salt in this jar. If you like more salt, you can add more. It could be any kind of salt. There is no restriction or indication on the salt. I will add one more bay leaf and a couple more black pepper grain. I will put the lid on the jar the way it is without turning out. Just put in. And I will put this jar in the oven for probably 1 hour and a half at 380 degrees and leave it there to boil, and I will see how the fat is melted and it's boiling. When I see this stage, I will stop the oven and leave it in the oven for an hour time till it gets cold, and at the end I will also close the lid, and in this case the jar will make a vacuum which will preserve the meat for a long time